Hey folks, we're in the studio today with Dracula and the Diet Soda and the Swamp Rats with our beautiful little homestead here. You know what I mean? Oh, the neighbor's house looks fucking great. Yeah. That pile. Yeah. Well, see, here's the recording setup. You got your master tape. We're about to do the B side of one of their singles here. You got that going through your modular EQ into the old Apache Sunset here. Apache something. And then drinking a couple beers. Anyway, got your heat lamp up here going down to the turntable. It's kind of what they look like when they're done. You know, just a little 7-inch record. A lot of work. Hey, I don't know why the heat lamp's way up there. This is what happens when you put your heat lamp too close to the disc here. See that warping there? Fucker almost caught on fire. You know what I mean? Anyway. So what we're gonna do here is, well, I guess we're gonna kind of, well, here's the recording lathe machine. It's going there. Just running. Here's my hand for size fucking reference. This is the little doodad that's gonna be cutting all the sound. Keep in mind my finger's fucking enormous, so that thing's actually pretty big. Just my hands are huge, you know. I'm not that big of a guy, but I have enormous fucking hands. Anyway, so this whole thing is being powered by this 100-watt little Apache monster here. Say, well, how is that possible? I don't fucking know, dude. I'm not a scientist. Eat a fucking dick. Anyway, what we got here is a fancy dancy needle. Let's see if we are where we need to be. Yeah, sorta. Anyway, we'll set the lever down there. This side ain't that long anyway. So we're just gonna kind of wait. It's in the groove now, so it's going. What I'm gonna do is put the needle down and then press play on the tape. And we'll kind of do damage control from there. All right, let's go. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Well, isn't that just a beautiful sight? See, when it cuts the groove, there's a little hair coming out of it. All that little hair is what your song sounds like. I mean, it's all bunched up. That's what it looks like. I bunch it all up, and I put it in a bag, and then I sell it to fucking teenagers. It's dope. Motherfuckers. Yeah. Look at all that crap. Isn't that wonderful? Oh, you hear? Hey, this is for you, Zach. Can you imagine if that needle actually registered when it was actually good? You got a mess of wires going back here. Switch for the motor. Okay, that's the end of the song. So what we do here is make a locked groove. We'll pull this little tab up so we're out of the groove now. Then we're going to take it down to Funky Town and just put one little circle. That way when your record needle gets to the end, it'll just not spin to the middle. Anyway, cool. Thank you, everybody.